Now that was exhilarating. We must find phase quartz, but I do not know how it could have survived this. That crystal is a substance called blizon. The blizon appears to have stored energy from the dimensional rifts.
Whoa. Another dimension. Is this your blizar?
No, but we can find intact phase quartz here. We should seek out the miners.
Indigenous creatures detected. Lockdown initiated.
Facility lockdown? Oh, that cannot be good.
Let's worry about the toxic crabs first! What was that?
Seismic activity, perhaps caused by the crumbling barriers between dimensions.
I was afraid you'd say that.
Safety lockdown engaged.
We need to reach the other side of that window to activate the lockdown release.
Another dimensional thing?
Yes, the instability is worsening. Probably why mining operations are offline.
Take your time, sweetie. Make sure to tell your friends now.
Haven't you punished me enough? You stupid universe! No job, no phase quartz, no planet. What else do you want, huh? My mind? Fine, take it!
If it helps, I just found out there's another dimension where Blizar's still intact.
Still intact? How do you... Of course! The Blizon! If the planet hasn't been destroyed yet.
Who was that? Do you know what she was talking about?
She must be a survivor of whatever happened here.
All right, we need another Blizon crystal.
Engaging!
Oh, come on!
I need to find them. They need to go.
She's broadcasting to anyone who will listen.
We can look into it after we obtain the phase quartz.
By unstable rifts in the universe. Please do not panic and form a single file line at all installs.
We're locked in. Needing overrides. Aha! Got it!
Lockdown reset. Thank you, and have a safe...
Seismic activity has destroyed the bridge.
Guess we're going the long way around.
Which is never. Really?
Not as elite as us.
Please keep your hands and feet inside and avoid the insta-death lava bubbling all around you. Thank you, and have a blazing Blizzard day.
Thanks for the help, Bolts. Not really used to it.
We will need a way to mine the phase quartz. Perhaps the giant drill.
Let's find someone who can point us to it.
This is the mining hub. Perhaps someone here can direct us to the drill. The Chief Engineer's survey station should be nearby.
You're just full of fun facts, huh?
Indeed. For example, the average miner spends 72% of their life underground.
Whoa, really?
No, but I would hate to bore you by running out of trivia. These individuals appear as confused as we are.
Earthquakes, lockdowns, interdimensional rifts. Can't really blame them, but we need that drill. We should hurry. Whatever happened to Blizzard in my dimension, this one could be... Bolts, focus.
Oh, sorry.
You looking for the Chief Engineer? Use that safety lift to get to the site.
Thanks.
Dimensional damage seems to be getting worse.
It's kind of pretty. In a deadly, terrifying way. There. That must be the chief engineer. Hello?
Do you hear that?
No.
Voices. Haven't been hearing them for too long. Wherever the purple is, they are too. First the quakes and the blazon. Now this.
I don't hear anything. Except someone asking if you'll be drilling for phase quartz soon.
Not until I determine what's going on. For all we know, this whole drill site is haunted. That's why I sent my science bots out to scan the purple.
And?
I have to pick them up. And I know it's safe.
Wait! I'll find the bots and bring them back here safe and sound.
These bots have intercepted a message from your dimension. Perhaps it is from that person we encountered.
Hopefully they can help us figure out what happened there and prevent it here. Let's go.
Testing comms. The bots would have followed the paths marked by the survey rods. I'm sure they're listening in on the purple.
The tremors are increasing in frequency and size.
Safety first. Try not to trip, slip, or break anything.
Was it too much to ask that we be able to find phase quartz without dodging earthquakes and lava? Sorry you and Ratchet were separated.
Oh, well, I should have foreseen something going wrong. The Dimensionator was too powerful to show off in public.
So cool! If I were a science bot, where would I be? Strike! Strike now!
Finally, a decent connection. I need to warn you about very dangerous.
Robot domination.
We should be cautious.
So she comes back to me. Looks like she picked up an audio file. I'll start cleaning it up. There's an old research lab ahead. I know Jim. That's where he'd head first.
Jim? It'd be great if you did. Glass.
It's damaged. We will destroy. You don't need it that badly.
Perhaps she is talking about the safety protocols. I know I find red tape constricting.
Makes as much sense as anything.
my new best friend.
No. You should head back to the chief engineer.
Ship request? Denied. Sad noises. Returning to chief engineer.
Aww.
Stop fussing, Jim. Hopefully he picked up interdimensional messages and didn't get distracted trying to find friends.
Identified. Hostile entity. Hello. My new best friend. You see something over there? That's not a bro! That's a wombat!
Yep, still me! Rose, 0, 9, Rose. I've lost count.
Are you always suspicious that anyone you meet worked for Emperor Nefarious?
Pretty much everyone I meet does work for Emperor Nefarious.
Ah, a fair point.
Platforms. Well, defunct ones. 1,000,000% sure rifts opened over here. You'll definitely find the box.
On that platform on the right, past the broken bridge.
There must be a way to reach it.
Oh! The crane moved the crystal!
This may bring us one step closer to reaching the bot.
Herself. One step closer to figuring out this message. That's all of them. Thanks. Come back to my survey station. Let's see what the little bots picked up from the other side.
Proximity warning. Hazardous life form detected. Facility security lockdown engaged.
Don't worry. security system myself. Except that motion trackers are saying they're inside the house. Room. Me. The ceiling. I always forget to look up. What the heck is that thing?
Mission unknown. Life form unknown. Protocol destroy.
From my dimension to yours. Now I'm gonna reduce it to scrap metal. Ow! Come on!
How am I supposed to unlock the secrets of a shattered dimension when these fish keep crashing my mind inside?
Special delivery from the Emperor.
You're alarmingly outnumbered here. Attempt to avoid injury going forward.
Native life forms no longer detected. Security walls disarmed. Thank you, and have a blazing Blizzard day.
Phew. Okay, minor setback. Gonna take a little longer to decode this message. But you guys can use the drill. Jim will take you there.
Hello, are you my new best friend?
Sure?
Happy noises. I will take you to our phase quartz extracting drill in the name of friendship.
That can't be good!
That dimensional anomaly is identical to the one we saw on Sargasso.
Good. That means you can deal with it.
As your best friend, I must warn you that dimensional integrity could have affected the drill.
What's that mean?
As your best friend, I do not want you to worry, so I will not expound at this time. Instead, impromptu music.
I can't authorize drill usage until the blockage in that tube is cleared.
We should go for karaoke after this. Do you like karaoke, best friend? I will dislike it if you dislike it.
You ready to fix another dimensional mess?
Leave it to me.
Clank, I just saw Ratchet on Savali.
You did? How is he?
Great! Thinner than I imagined, but appropriately heroic. But I digress. Your possibilities are waiting for you to guide them to the meta-terminal.
My possibilities cannot pass through with that much wind. Is there some way I can weigh them down?
Ah, that's a heavy sphere. It will weigh down any object it touches, which sounds rather obvious when you say it out loud.
So what is in that book of yours?
The most up-to-date collection of knowledge in the universe, as cataloged by my father.
And who is that?
I believe you know him as the plumber.
He is your father? What is he doing now?
Taking his first vacation ever. So he left me in charge, and I'm trying my best, but it's a lot to live up to even when the universe isn't in danger.
So, how did you get the title Prophet?
I actually didn't choose the name. It was given to me by the Savali monks after I helped them decipher some of their archives.
What does that mean?
Oh, just a lot of pointing and saying stuff like, that's a Blargian phone book. That's a Kertu tooth. That's a Democrat love poem. Oh my! I have to write this down because that was incredible, Clank! Only 2 more to go. How are things going with Rivet?
Well enough. She hacked my brain and saw my memories.
Is that what you kids are doing these days? I'm so out of touch.
It is interesting. For being dimensional counterparts, Ratchet and Rivet have surprising differences. Ratchet never had any wariness of robots when he met me. Yet Rivet does.
Maybe your dimension is the outlier. Maybe all the other Ratchets don't like robots in their dimensions either.
A good way to weigh things down.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
Possibilities are a visual representation of my mind, trying to understand dimensionality. And the more I help them find their way, the more I will understand and be able to fix everything. saw is blocking the path. If I could just find a way to lower it.
Oh, nice! I never thought to use the sphere like that. Is there anything about Ratchet and Rivet that's the same?
They are both very quick to take action. Unlike me, I always get so caught up in the details.
And you wish you were better about it.
Not all the time, but it would be nice to not have to worry so much. G on demand.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find. Ah, Clank! I think I know how to help you with your getting caught up in the details problem. You just gotta be confident.
What do you mean?
If there's one thing I've learned from my father, it's that acting like you know what you're doing can get you everywhere in life. That and carrying a plunger. Clank.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you! And remember, confidence is the key.
Now we can deal with the clock.
Yeah. I sent the top minds on the team to fix it, and they got that's it. Hydraulic supply restored.
With that fixed, we should now be able to use that elevator.
Time to drill for some phase quartz. Almost there. Drill, phase quartz, repair the dimensionator.
In case I do not get another chance to say it, thank you.
Don't get mushy on me now, Bolts. We're not done yet. Hey, look! The Bro Squad is back.
I cannot help thinking...
What?
We still do not know what happened to your dimension's Blizzard.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension. No!
I cannot help thinking...
What?
We still do not know what happened to your dimension's Blizzard.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension. Ah! Nowhere to go!
I cannot help thinking...
What?
We still do not know what happened to your dimension's Blizzard.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension. Nowhere to go!
I cannot help thinking...
What?
We still do not know what happened to your dimension's Blizzard.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension. Nowhere to go!
I win, but does anyone listen to me? No!
What?
Fast approaching the main drill.
Wow! It's been my lifelong dream to operate a drill 100 times bigger than me.
Really? That is very specific.
Specific goals are achievable goals.
Lombax robot, brilliant news! I decoded the message from beyond. Listen!
Finally, good reception. Listen, do not turn on the drill. The rifts damaged it. The drill destroyed our Blizzard.
What? But we just turned it on!
Take cover! Lockdown engaged! I can try a remote shutdown. Jeez!
I thought you loved giant machinery.
I'll try to change the parts.
Suspended in the drill beam.
Knock it out with my hammer. Yes! Oh, you guys.
We must return to the other dimension quickly. look rather painful.
You won't see the target.
That is the last of them.
There's gotta be a way back around here.
What is your plan?
That dropship. Big and heavy.
And full of fuel. It is perilously close to becoming a bomb.
Or, if we crash it into the drill, we could dislodge it and stop the planet from shattering.
Normally I'd say that's against protocol, but this is a pre-post-apocalypse world we live in, so go for it!
Then, brace for impact.
Hello, it is your best friend, Jim. Please do not die, as I deleted my sad noises suite as soon as we became best friends.
Not now, Jim.
I wish I had a sad noise to play.
Rivet. Oh, no.
Well, maybe it's not as bad as it... I know this is gonna sound totally weird, but the Morts used to tell me legends about someone on Torrent 4 called the Fixer. If it's broke, the Fixer will fix it.
Then I suppose we should see if the legends are true.
I can't believe we saved Blizzard! How about we fix up the space courts and save the universe?
You hear that? That's the sound of me destroying lies. Dirty, filthy lies. They say this dimension is unstable. We're being sucked into a formless void. False. Think otherwise? I order you to throw your eyes into the local incinerator because they are clearly malfunctioning. More importantly, the Lombax Vandals have not escaped. How could they if... I haven't even caught them yet, huh? You morons! Here. You want some truth? My Lombax bounty is now 27 squadrillion parabucks. Just look at it all. So big, so real, so totally not made up. And it can all be yours when you catch those stupid Lombaxes.
It Seems Dr. Nefarious will stop at nothing to catch us.
We better keep moving.
At least this mission will be a straightforward one.
Huh. I don't know about your dimension, but out here, things never go according to plan. Improvisation is a skill you learn very fast.
I also have a talent for improvisation.
Well, I can't wait to see you in action. Let's get some phase quartz repaired. I hope the fixer is as good as the Morts say he is.
Yes, I hope so too. Seems to be out of commission.
Bet it was a raid! Places like this usually have to fend for themselves against bandits. Or pirates.
Pardon me. Does anyone here know where we can find the fixer?
Guess they're being cautious.
Oh, hello, stranger! Can't talk! Gotta fortify before the next raid!
Fixing things, I suspect.
New tourists? Oh, welcome to the jewel of our galaxy. Please, enjoy yourselves. Did you know Molinoff means paradise in Junkish?
Is the fixer on this planet?
He most definitely is. Great guy, the best, and single, if either of you are interested.
We were told that he can fix phase quartz.
Phase quartz, blaze quartz, anything! But, we've been having trouble with pirates, so we asked him to help because, you know, he's a big guy. But after a few days of totally crushing them, he just, broke.
Perhaps we could fix him.
You two look like you could straighten him out in a Molinoff minute. But the path to him was destroyed in the last pirate raid, so you'll need a hurl shot. Oh, and I saw one in the smelting pits further ahead. Lucky you.
So, after this, are you and Ratchet going to the Lombax dimension?
It is possible, but Ratchet is uncertain. Perhaps he is afraid that...
Afraid? Why afraid?
It is complicated.
Huh. Well, hey, if he doesn't want to go, I will. improvise.
Thrilled about the name either, but we must find one at the smelting pits. Watch out!
Broken rail ahead! Broken rail ahead! Here comes another one!
A smelting pit is a curious place for a hurl shot to be.
I'm guessing it has something to do with them all getting recalled recently. Something about fractured spines?
Oh, dear.
Smooth. There's a rift!
They keep coming!
Here comes the jump!
Oh dear! This rail system seems exceedingly dangerous. I am afraid.
Here comes the jump!
Oh dear! This rail system seems exceedingly dangerous. I am afraid.
Here comes the jump!
Oh dear! This rail system seems exceedingly dangerous.
Just hang on! It goes straight to the smelting pits!
I am afraid we may end up in a smelting pit.
Woo! Made it! Oh no.
Avast ahoy, yo-ho, yo-ho, our time has finally come. Let us plunder like mad and go break back for the fixer is all but done.
Look here, mateys, this looks useful. In fact, I've a notion that it be crucial.
It seems fate has brought us together again, ma petite rivette.
Guess fate really loves seeing you get your butt kicked, Pierre.
Ah! Yoo-hoo! Pirate mateys, attack!
Oh dear! The pirates are raiding for scrap.
We can't let them get that hurl shot.
Perhaps it would be worth using the high ground here.
Good idea. Shield? Looks like we're gonna have to get...
Right! Get to thundering and scowlagger! But you should have seen the fixer. Such power! He was!
Did you talk him to death or what?
I would love to... Grab anything that shines, twinkles, glimmers, and shimmers! Grab it all!
all of them. Let's get that hurl shot down. Shot. Now we just have to get across that pirate-filled chasm and find the fixer. Oh, my spine!
It is a mistake to get between pirates and their plundering. Brace yourselves!
We're pinned down!
If long enough is mostly junk, what are they hoping to loot here?
Where better to find Barry?
Let's be scuttling our mates! Give her no water!
Delicious! Je t'adore! Our looting was so boring until you arrived! Merci for livening things up!
Yeah, keep laughing, Pierre.
does Pierre have?
Maybe the fixer will help finish them off. Wipe them out!
Incoming!
Meddling is most annoying with it! Why must you always get in my way?
Did you ever think you're the one getting in my way?
Ha! I am afraid I am the protagonist of this story! And I am the one!
That'll leave another cool
I'll be coming for you. Are you getting tired, Rivet? Perhaps you would like a new death partner.
Are we going to, dance?
No, we are not.
There be no plague for ye to walk here. This is what's he get for trying to steal what is ours.
What's yours?
It'd be a fool's quest to look for them. I shall save ye the trouble.
To avoid injury going forward.
There be no plague for ye to walk here. Your end lies with me.
We're wearing him down.
You're not going to stop me. That won't be stopping me.
Are we going to, dance?
No, we are not.
Come here, Chakri. There be no plague for ye to walk. I've got a stripe in you. This is what she gets for trying to steal what is ours.
What's yours? Ammo's down.
It'd be a fool's quest to look for the fixer. I shall save ye the trouble. I'm gonna enjoy ending you.
Wearing him down.
You're not going to scuttle me.
ye sure?
I suggest we abandon ship.
Suggestion noted! Nice one, Bolts. Whew. I'd be happy if I never saw a pirate again.
We can now use the hurl shot to reach the fixer.
Gotta admit, the fixer being a giant robot is not what I expected.
Perhaps when he is not fighting pirates, he is a gentle giant.
Not my experience with big robots, but you'll see. Were you saying something here? I stopped listening.
How will I go on without my latest smell?
You'll never have to find out.
Quick enough, Longbacks!
Sassy backpack.
You guys aren't very good at this.
Do not lump me into the failure. I am merely the face of the operation.
Pierre will take the hint.
Speaking from experience, he won't.
The fixer be done for, and so... Now
Plasty myself! Your straggling neck will fester Pierre no more! Your tail! And so shall ye! This one! I be honored to blast ye myself! Your straggling neck will fester Pierre no more!
What if the face quartz cannot be fixed?
We're in deep trouble, but there's no point in worrying about it now.
I am both frustrated and excited! Run, obstacles, and seeing all the others, we must stop them before they reach the fixer!
How exactly will we fix the fixer?
I guess we have to turn him on first.
Was he turned off because he was broken?
Huh! This must be the fixer's on switch! Hello? Are you, okay?
No! I am broken, as is everything. Nothing can be fixed.
Oh my!
At least the pirates are taken care of!
Please focus on the grinding.
He's bringing the whole place down!
Jump ahead!
Vague and fleeting measure. Destruction is our natural state.
Is he the breaker now?
The fellow broken one. You must accept your brokenness.
Is he talking about me?
Because of your arm? Don't listen to him, Bolts. If you're broken, so am I. And I think we're pretty awesome. You have any ideas? Because I'm having a hard time thinking while running away from a giant homicidal robot!
I am working on it. I believe we are going in circles. That rift may be our way out.
Men, I am not deserving
surprising. I may be different than I was, but you helped me realize I am still Clank.
I am quite relieved. When the Bullets asked me to protect them, it opened my eyes to a great many broken things. So very many.
And you became distressed.
But being able to fix another, to see that all is not lost. How can I ever repay you both?
Can you fix this? Thank you.
You just gave an old giant robot the gift of hope. It should be I who is thanking you.
Phew! Let's get back to the ship, shall we?
Yes. Oh, I hope Ratchet...
Hold that thought.
Love of Doom is now available. Need I say more? Ooh-wee! That one is so hot right now.
Anyway.
Yes. Oh, I hope Ratchet had an easier time building a new Dimensionator.
So, are we gonna talk about you rescuing me back there?
I did?
You did. Looks like you're a natural even in my dimension.
I thank you, Rivet.
Hope Ratchet's staying out of trouble. This is an ocean.
Pretty cool, right? And just think, once we forge this thing and save the dimension, you'll have a whole universe to explore.
How are you not afraid of the future? With all of its unknowns.
I do get, You asked me on Savali if I wanted to find my family. For a long time, I did. I mean, I really did. But the closer I got to doing that, what if they're not what I expected? What if I'm not what they expected? Anyways, I think we're here.
Kadaro Station houses the Emperor's most secret research, including the only Rubion forge strong enough to build the Dimensionator.
So it's our only shot. Good to know.